Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Winter Bliss knot. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I'm going to come over here. We're just going to put a fold in there. Come across like this. I'm going to come up and over. Then we're going to bring it down like this. So we have this right here. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to roll this up like to there. And then I'm going to I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to come around like this. Then I'm going to come around like this. So I wrap this around it, fold it in half, and then come down. So that kind of secures that. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a wreath like this, and then I'm going to fold it like that. There you have the Winter Bliss. Let me go ahead and button this up here. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials, and there you have that one. So peace and God bless. We'll see you in the next video, guys.